Lowrance active target and forward-facing sonar has been changing the way that I fish. Enter active target. Now I'm giggling all summer long simply because of the fact that there's a lot of scenarios where I can pan around, find a school of fish or maybe just one big one, make a precise cast at that fish, watch my lure fall down, and then watch that fish engage. Gives me ability to change my cadence, raise it up higher, let it fall down, and a lot of times even watch that fish bite on the screen. As we're fishing out deep today, we're fishing the mud. We're in 30+ feet of water and it's really soft bottom. So I've kind of changed my settings a little bit from how I use it in shallow water. One of the things that I started with was I put it out to 80 feet. There isn't really any false returns here at all. Any hard mark that I see is gonna show up as a fish. That's why I push it all the way out to 80 feet. The next thing that I've done is I've changed the contrast. I put the contrast up to +10. This makes it really easy to see my bait. Really the only adjustment I need to do to be able to pick out bigger fish is to look at the size of that mark. So next time you're out on soft bottom, you're out deep, don't be afraid to play with the settings a little bit. Push that out to 80, even 100 feet. Use the power of the Lowrance active target, crank that gain up, and it's gonna remind you a lot of ice fishing. You're gonna get to see fish chase your lure and even bite it.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.